Alright, we're back. Mario? Barry, you still there?
Yeah, we're here. I just loaded in.
Yeah, I just had my mic muted. Hang on, sorry.
Alright,
I just loaded in.
just wanted to make sure is all.
Ah!
Oh my goodness!
Ah! Ah!
What a way to start!
That was a fucking horde. While we
What?
only have pistols.
No, Barry found a gun. Hunter! Ah, Barry! Barry!
Oh, he's
I
dead.
was reloading.
Ah, what a fantastic
Get
way
me
to start.
out of this damn safe room. Holy shit, he's fucking dead.
Yeah, I got torn apart by a hunter.
Shit.
Holy shit, Lois, I'm coming.
And I was reloading at the bad
Okay,
time.
come on. Really?
What?
Never mind.
Holy shit, Lois, I'm coming.
Holy fuck.
Stop. No. No,
That's enough.
stop.
That's enough. That's enough. That's
No,
enough. That's enough.
no.
That's it.
Fuck. If it gets flagged for that reason, I'm literally coming after you.
I'm coming after you.
Not in the way you'd think.
Alright, I'm waiting for you back.
Oh, so you want it sexually?
No, I'm going to kill you.
Yokes on you, I'm into it.
Damn.
Oh shit.
Where is Mario anyway? Oh, he's already at
I'm fucked.
You're welcome. Now
What
you
can I say
gotta suck
except
my dick.
welcome.
Chris McLean's. Alright, campers. It's for today's challenge.
Alright, campers. It's time to put you in Left 4 Dead 2. In real life, I'm going to
sound
ruin
like
the
a
world
little bit.
for this. He's not a very happy camper.
Okay, campers.
Okay, campers. Today we're recreating 9/11.
Oh no!
Hey guys, small issue.
What? They're doing fine. What's the problem?
Guys, is that the 45 bar?
Shut up.
I love how
That's not funny. What the fuck?
I love how that's enough to make Barry get pissed off.
But not the. Oh, Lois, I'm coming.
Stop!
That's enough. That's not okay. I'm actually getting pissed off.
What happened? What's wrong?
Barry?
Okay,
What's
now
wrong?
I'm the only one here that is getting pissed off now. Oh, I made it.
Wait,
What's wrong,
where is
buddy?
Barry? Oh, he's already over there.
What's wrong, buddy?
Mario, stop wasting time and go help him.
Help him with what?
Oh,
Getting
damn it.
burned?
What if he dies and he doesn't make it? I'm literally going to lose it.
If he dies, that's gonna be funny. Free content.
Oh, he's,
Okay, I'm good now.
Almost there.
Lag spike.
You can make it. Again, how are you supposed to? Man.
Almost made it. Almost made it.
Here, let me take a quick look. Yeah, you can walk. Yeah, that one's actually doable. Here, give me a second. Give me a second. I got this.
Okay, you do.
I fucked up. Give me a second. Yo, move your fat ass. Get in the corner. Get in the corner. Get in the corner. Thank you. I got this.
Oh, here we go. I pressed the A
After you.
button to fix the perspective.
Fuck. I got it. Okay, I got this.
Wait, what happened to Miles?
I'm
Oh
dead.
yeah,
He died.
Yeah, I forgot.
You forgot to save me.
Never forget.
I forgot. I forgot. I just had a short dementia for a second. I had a short dementia.
He has dementia.
Let's hope your family doesn't. Let's hope your family doesn't give the money to Pro. Oh, might not Pro. I nearly said Pro Jared. What the fuck?
Sweet baby. A triple dog, dare you?
What the fuck, Nick?
He literally said Zawardo and just teleported to you.
No, I was on the last I was on the last platform, then I walked off.
Just jump.
Hey, boring
Oh.
Barry.
Okay, so I switched to Nick and Rochelle just teleported all the way back.
Yeah, I don't think you should switch back to Rochelle.
Yeah,
Yeah.
don't switch back to her.
Yeah, no, that was a good thing I switched though. Like to Nick.
Stop fucking pushing me.
My man, homie. Let me just go to the corner. Sweet baby.
Sweet baby.
Oh, come on. What's it? One.
Oh!
Yes, 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 yes.
Now one more jump to succeed.
I believe in you, please, please. Come on, baby, please.
Please, Mario, my eyes are hurting. Come on!
I gotta time this
Oh my god.
perfectly.
Come on.
It's getting laggy, that's why I'm not fucking jumping. So give me a damn minute.
Fair enough.
If I miss this jump, I'm gonna fucking cry.
Come on, let's begin. Oh my god. I am so nervous. Come on, please.
Why is your internet so shit? Wow. Oh no, no.
You gotta be fucking.
Oh shit.
Can Rochelle stop? Oh my god.
You're probably gonna have to kill Rochelle if she's getting in your way, dude.
No!
Alright, you go.
Oh.
I got this.
Oh,
Move. Thank you.
Oh.
First try.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna kill him.
I'm gonna kill him too.
What did I do?
Everything. You fucked up.
No!
First off.
Shut up, you're dead.
Yeah, you know
You
what?
ain't talking.
I'm kind of glad I am dead.
Shut up, you're dead. You ain't talking.
But who's dead?
Yeah.
Who died? Who died first? Who died first on the first one on the cars? On the car? Who died on the cars? Bro, you have to jump when it's moving forward, not backwards, dumbass. Yo.
Oh my god! I just realized the picture of Bill isn't even a proper one. It's someone cosplaying as him.
You didn't
Is that my
notice
uncle?
that?
No, I literally just now noticed it.
That took you so long to notice. Oh my god. Okay.
Too late, man. I already made it, dumbass.
Well, I made it too, so in a big problem. Okay, this is a big problem.
This Asperger's place.
Yeah. Now it's time for an even worse one. Why are you using your pistol? There's an ammo resupply back there.
I don't have a weapon.
Why didn't you grab one?
Wait,
dumbass.
Because.
Wait, didn't Laura?
Wait, isn't there any weapons like right?
Rorschach had one.
No, there's one in the fucking floor. Here. Why didn't you grab it?
He's got one. He's good.
Okay, I would recommend taking the axe. Just saying.
Oh.
If you do that again, I'll bury you alive. Shut the fuck up, Nick.
Make me.
Make with me.
Make me, bitch. Oh, stop.
Clap.
Or.
Slap. Clap. Slap.
Hit those fuck.
My back.
Hit those fuckers. Okay, go save them. Hey, can I get a hand? Yeah, hey,
Oh,
Lost Slunk, I got a hand.
Sweet.
Hey, Lost Slunk, I took someone's hand off. Alright, come back here and get a gun.
Oh no! Now I just remembered. I don't want to go. I
Yeah.
don't want to get through this. I don't want. I don't
Yo,
wanna
you
have to
forgot
see
your gun, man. You're gonna get fucked if you don't have a gun. There you go.
Wait, I don't want
if you're into it.
perfection.
I got this, I got this. I got this, I got this. I got this, I got
Come on,
this.
fat ass. Oh shit!
You're the fat ass because you fell.
Hey.
What? Why are you booing me? I'm right.
Why are you booing me? I'm right.
Yo,
Oh, shit.
shoot him.
Shoot him, boy. Shoot him.
Never mind. They all just fucking died.
Oh,
Oh, hey, Miles.
oh,
Help!
shit.
Help! Help! Shoot! 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 Shove!
oh my god!
What the fuck, man?
All right, I'm going. Just
Hey, look out.
Are you
That's why.
Fricklesticks?
Fiddlesticks.
Yeah, fiddlesticks.
Fuck, I went
Well, too
early.
early there, buddy.
Oh, fiddlesticks. What now?
Yo, shoot! Shoot!
Whoa.
Are you?
Ah!
Ah, fruity pebbles.
I'm not gonna make it. This is the end.
Yo. Yo, teleport him. Shoot! Shoot! Slap, 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 clap, 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 slap, 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 clap, clap, clap.
clap, clap, clap. Slap, slap, slap.
God, this is not the way I wanted to die.
No!
Oh my god.
Bro, I'm.
When I said I wanted to watch, I didn't mean that.
Mario, please just come back and heal me.
I can't. Sorry, man. Yeah, I can't, man. I'm getting strangled.
Hey! Laura Shell! Oh my god.
I kinda can't. Rochelle, you dumb bitch. Fucking revive him.
Okay.
Oh, thank god Barry found me.
Alright, now all y'all need to do is make the jump. I'm fucked, aren't I?
No.
Yeah, I'm
Almost
fucked.
Okay.
Get your ass over here and help me. You have to pre-jump.
Oh god. That was so close.
Alright, I'm gonna try.
Pre-jump.
Just keep me healthy.
You have to pre-jump it or you're... Well, actually, you did it. Good
Fuck!
job. Too early. Wait till you see it like a little... Oh, hey, Rochelle.
What?
About damn time. Rochelle's better than you.
Well, she made it. Well, at least she made it, so I guess that has to count for something.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
Ah, god damn it!
God damn it, I can't fucking get a chance to jump on the platform because of the damn smokers.
This is hard.
Yeah, no shit. Just like my dick.
Bruh.
No! I was so close. You saw that? Fucking.
Here, my turn.
Oh my god! Just put me back.
Not again! Shoot it! Shoot it! Shoot it! Shoot her! Shoot her!
I can't see
Please,
them.
I don't want to die like this.
Shoot it, what yeah?
Hey, Rochelle. Hey, Rochelle. Save her! Save her! Well, now I have to heal.
Man.
Hey,
Fuck!
look out.
Ah! What?
Yeah, that's gonna happen a lot.
Well, no shit. Oh. Oh, come on.
Yo, the smoker!
I got one.
Okay, you shoot the smokers, I'm going to go.
Alright.
Okay, man, fucked up.
Alright, my turn.
Alright, then go.
Oh, fuck.
You fucked up.
Yeah, hold on. Hold on. I went too late.
I'm so sorry. You're gonna have to go back now.
Oh shit, you're right.
What the fuck's wrong with that platform? Why is it like that?
What? I
Fuck.
missed an inch. How?
Oh fuck.
Saved you. You can't make the jump, man. You're too
I'm
too
going to
fucked.
try. I keep going too late. Alright, Mario, come on.
No fucking.
You're going to the right too late.
Fuck me.
Is that a charger?
Yeah, it's gonna die.
No, you fuck. Why?
It's right there, man, and then he just gets smoked. No,
Come
no.
on, man.
Come on, I don't even want to do this no more.
I don't want to do it anymore.
I made it.
Finally!
Protect me.
Adam.
If I get smoked, I'm going back.
Jesus. Go, go,
Oh,
go, go, go.
No, 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 no.
Oh, bro, thanks.
Just keep the smoker off me.
Oh my god, I'm actually gonna break my monitor. Rochelle just got in my way. There.
Bro, there's literally nothing I can do once I die.
King shoot it!
Oh my god.
I'm dead. Thanks.
We're all dead.
Basically, your last hope kit is dead now.
Oh, fuck.
You can't even make that. Why aren't you reviving Rochelle? She could save Miles.
That's true, but she will keep falling, you know?
She's going to teleport.
Well,
even
actually,
if
she can teleport, yeah.
To be fair, even if she revives me, it doesn't matter.
Oh yeah, she didn't fucking revive. Yep.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't matter now since two people are dead and the only person alive is fucking Barry and he can't get past the first goddamn part.
Wait, the door. Won't it open?
Maybe, I don't know, but I don't think Rochelle's even gonna save him. You should go grab some pills. You aren't gonna make the jumps on yellow.
Barry, grab some pills.
I did? Fucking Christ.
Hey, look out for a smoker.
I'm trying.
If you have to, crouch down and walk back once. It will help. Crouch down and walk back once. And
Okay, I was. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on,
giving you
dude. Are you fucking...
I'm giving you fucking advice to do this and you aren't listening. Crouch down, back up once, and then run forward.
Hey, Barry, are you just pressing the jump button instead of holding it?
I am! It's just that I'm... Oh, I almost got...
Whoa.
Yeah. Close. Alright, come on. Are you...
You're doing this
that...
to yourself. I've telling you good advice multiple times.
Oh, I don't think I'm gonna make it.
Say if you want to skip this chapter.
Oh.
I mean, I'd rather not cut the recording here. Well, he made it to where I died at, I guess. So.
He made it there, but if he dies, we're going to have to fucking restart from the beginning.
No. Okay, fuck
and
off.
there's
No,
this
no, that
smoker that's going to kill him.
Rochelle, you bitch.
Oh! Rochelle?
Yeah.
Mario, I think he's gonna make it.
If he does, I'll be very.
If she can fucking protect me at all costs.
Ay. Okay. Oh no.
What? Give her pills. Give her pills before she fucking dies. Kicks the bucket or
You
something. I
fucking
don't
kidding
know.
me? Oh my lord.
And now you're dead.
Do
Yeah.
something. Oh.
Now can we return to the lobby and skip the chapter?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut the recording here.
No, we doing this. We doing this. Come on.
Bro, we only have 20.
Come on.
No. I only have so many brain cells in my fucking head. No.
And I don't want to exceed the 30-minute time limit, god damn it.
Okay, fine.
Like, you gotta remember, we're technically I am recording.
Oh, you're recording? Nick.
Alright.